Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about meditation for beginners. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and has been proven to have numerous benefits for our physical and mental health. Let's start by defining what meditation is. Meditation is a mental practice that involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to improve mental clarity and reduce stress and anxiety. Some of the benefits of meditation include reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep, increased focus and concentration, and a boost in overall well-being. Now that you know what meditation is and its benefits, let's dive into how to start meditating. Find a quiet place. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be your bedroom, a park, or any other quiet place. Get comfortable. Get into a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. Keep your back straight to maintain good posture. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Focus on your breath and try to let go of any thoughts or distractions. Count your breaths. Start counting each inhale and exhale. Count from 1 to 10, then start over again. This will help you to stay focused and keep your mind from wandering. Repeat. Repeat the process of focusing on your breath and counting each inhale and exhale for 5 to 10 minutes. You can start with a shorter amount of time and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. Here are some tips for successful meditation. Be patient. Meditation takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. Don't get discouraged if you find it difficult to focus at first. Make it a habit. Try to meditate at the same time every day to make it a habit. Keep it simple. Don't worry about doing it perfectly. Just focus on your breath and let go of any thoughts or distractions. Be consistent. The more you meditate, the easier it will become and the more benefits you will see. Conclusion: meditation is a powerful tool for improving your physical and mental health. With a little bit of practice and patience, anyone can start meditating and reaping its benefits. Give it a try and see how it can improve your life. That's it for this video on meditation for beginners. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.